In this tutorial, I will show you how to write prompts for Asana AI Studio. First, open Asana and click on the AI icon at the top right. This will open the prompt input area. Now start your prompt with a clear job. Write something like, your job is to followed by what you want. For example, your job is to summarize customer feedback. Next, add context. Explain why you need this and who it is for. This helps the AI give better and more relevant results. For example, you can add, this is for a product team review. Now type your full prompt in the input box. Keep it clear and specific. Avoid vague instructions. Press enter to run the prompt. If the result is not perfect, edit your prompt. Make it more detailed or adjust the wording. Run it again until you get the desired output. That is how you write prompts for Asana AI Studio.